What's the next big thing in the smartphone market? Is it the Nothing Phone 3, the successor to last year's Nothing Phone 2? It bears a mysterious model number, a 015, and an internal codename Tetris. Fresh from the launch of the Nothing Ear in Ear, A, the company is believed to be quietly working on this new smartphone. Android Headlines has exclusively spotted the new phone in the database, confirming its existence. The report also reveals the model number details of the phone. According to the Android Headline report, the Nothing Phone 3 has the model number a 015. Android Headlines was spot on with the previous leak about the Nothing Phone 2A and its model number a 142p and the codename Pac-Man Pro. However, the Nothing Phone 1 had the model number A063 while the Phone 2 had a 065. The A015 model number of the Phone 3 feels a bit out of place. It is possible that the model number may not belong to the Phone 3 at all. The Nothing Phone 3 is rumoured to arrive with the Snapdragon 8 S Gen 3 chipset, an underclocked version of Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset. In comparison, the Nothing Phone 2 shipped with a Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 SoC. While not much else is known about the phone at this stage, we predict the Phone 3 to come with camera upgrades, design changes and aggressive pricing. An earlier 91 Mobile's Hindi report mentioned the Nothing Phone 3 is likely to be priced between Rs 40,000 to Rs 45,000. If the company sticks to its previous pattern, we might expect the Phone 3 to arrive in July this year, the same range as the Phone 2 when it debuted. As the launch draws closer, expect to see more leaks, online appearances and teasers, so keep an ear to the ground and an eye on the horizon, as the next big thing in the smartphone market might just be the Nothing Phone 3.